Hello and welcome to GP Support Notes information mini-series all about sales order entry, showcasing the functionality and special tips for this Dynamics GP feature. Well, with that said, let's jump right into an overview on return items. Over to you, Brittany.
One of the other cool tricks that we did cover in our previous one, but it is a great one to mention, is the SOP customer item lookup. Okay, this basically allows me that upon entry of an invoice, I can look up every other time they may have purchased this item. Okay, just to make us real fun. Okay, so since we're talking about easy ways to get ourselves in sales transactions and how to enter that in there, what happens when your customer actually wants to return that stuff? I know you're going to tell me my customers never return my stuff. They're always 100% satisfied. But in those odd situations, they do happen to create a return. Well, we all know there's a little bit of a long way to do it where we can go through each line and look it up and go through that. There's actually a quicker step to do this, is to actually flip it to your return type. And if you go to additional, or it might be sitting in your ribbon, depending which ribbon you have, you can actually hit create return. And, let me do this side by side. You can actually look it up, and let's pick my credit type here. And you can actually pick it up off of an old sales document number. So I'm going to go pick up my invoice from March and pick the items off of that sales. So it will go ahead and pick them up, especially if you have a lot of items on that list. You can actually pick them all up. I really need to. Here is my new RMA. So it actually did everything for me. If you're using lot and serial numbers, it will help you out with these lot and serials and pick that information back up. It also nicely ties these together. So you'll notice in my return document, with my little blue expansion arrow next to my document number, you'll actually see the original number inside of here where it comes from. Okay, so now that we have all this information inside of here, it just allows you to have less keying for your serial number, your lot numbers, or maybe multiple. If they have a very long invoice that returning, maybe they have a lot of little parts on there. That'll help you out to quicken up your return by using your additional function to go create return. Okay. This actually wasn't always a feature inside of GP until after GP 2013, when Extended Pack became more of a basic function inside of GP. Okay.
Thanks, Brittany. What a great overview on return items. For more episodes on sales order entry or how GP Support North can keep you on a successful digital transformation while staying on Dynamics GP, visit gpsupportnorth.com. Well, we'll see you there.